Good day everybody, my name is Aramis and in this video I'm going to show you how to create an API for connecting Binance trader and investor accounts to Finestel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First up, you need a Finestel account. I'm not going to use my own account for this tutorial because you won't see this 3-step guide on my account. As you can see, I have 2 Binance accounts already connected to my Finestel account and copied 3 traders. With one of them, I copy Vlad on the spot and LSR on the futures market. And with the other one, I copied Damon on the spot and LSR again on the futures. By the way, this is not financial copy trading or any kind of advice, and it's just for demonstration. So I created a new Finestel account to show you this guide on the dashboard. Click on this connect button or this box up here, select Binance on the next page and then hit the connect button again. Finestel currently supports copy trading for Binance spot and futures markets and KuCoin spot market only. But stay tuned to see other popular crypto exchanges integrated with Finestel. On the next page, there are 2 Binance API guides for both traders and investors on the right. And if you select KuCoin instead of Binance, you'll see the KuCoin API guide, which is a bit different, and we have tutorial videos for that as well. Find it on the info card right up here. So what is this page? This page is where you define the connected Binance account function for Finestel. I mean, whether trader or investor. If you're an investor and want to copy a trader, select investor as the account role and trader if you want to get copied and scale up your profits by earning performance fees. You could connect multiple exchange accounts to Finestel with different functions. You could even copy yourself. So you need to pick a username for each of your connected exchange accounts. I'm gonna connect an investor Binance account, so I'll name it Aramis Investor. Now let's create an investor or trade only API. Log into your Binance account and select API management from the profile icon drop down menu. Hit the create API button and select a name for your API, or as Binance calls it, label your API. Pass the security verification, verify your credentials, and Binance creates your API. As you can tell, there are 2 sections. The API restriction section on top and the IP restriction on the bottom. From top to bottom, the first string you see is the API key and the second is the secret key. 2 important things here. First of all, you need to be cautious with your API credentials. And second, both Binance and KuCoin will show your API secret only once and when you create the API. So if you miss it, you'll have to delete the API and create a new one. Below the keys are the configurations. The default is read-only, which is for trader Binance accounts, so traders don't need to change anything here. Investor exchange accounts though must checkmark enable spot and margin trading for copying spot market traders and enable futures for copying futures market traders. Another important thing is the withdrawal API access. The withdrawal API access has its own application, which Finestel does not need. This API access, which is grayed out by default, is what you want to avoid. Who or whatever has withdrawal API access to your Binance or the transfer access to your KuCoin account, which is the same API access but with different literature, potentially has your funds, so watch out. Moving on to the IP restriction section, both investor and trader accounts must checkmark the unrestricted. IP addresses may change quite frequently, so if you have the restricted IP setting, your Binance account will lose connection to your Finestel account. Now, just click on the save button and this pop-up will appear reading your API configuration is valid for only 90 days due to the unrestricted IP setting. After 3 months, Binance will restore your API configuration to the read-only default, and you need to get back to your Binance account API management section and re-enable the trade-only by checkmarking the enable spot and margin trading and enable futures. Alright, the configuration is done And now just copy and paste your API key and the secret key into their fields on your Finestel account and hit the connect button. Within 60 seconds, Finestel connects to your Binance account and you'll see your Binance account balance on your Finestel dashboard. Now let me get back my Finestel account because this Binance account is empty and you don't see any balance on this account. Alright, as I showed you before, I have two Binance accounts connected to my Finestel account and I copy 3 traders. And you can see the spot and futures balance of both of my accounts on the dashboard. I can switch between my spot and futures accounts using this button, or switch between my connected exchange accounts using this box over here or these 2 cards. Also, I can connect more exchange accounts using one of these add buttons. FYI, you could connect up to 10 Binance and KuCoin accounts, and if you need more, just request, and after a review, we can give you access to connect much more exchange accounts based on your needs. The multiple exchange account integration ability is for asset and portfolio managers who want to manage several portfolios or futures accounts on a single dashboard, whether for their friends and family or their clients. Alright, this is it for this tutorial. Your questions are so valuable to us and we get to them immediately. Use the comment section or the chat icon on Finestel.com to ask your questions, or just drop an email to support@finestel.com. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribing to the channel and dropping a thumbs up is much appreciated and will help us improve. See you in the next video.